Okay, today I will show you how to use our LS300 SLAM system. This is the SLAM side, and this is the host side. This is the handle. First, connect the SLAM to the handle. Make sure it is okay. And then, this is the host side. There are two batteries here. We can just connect one battery, it's okay. And then, let's find the main cable here. This is the main cable. The two sides is different. Remember, this side connect to LS300. Remember the red dot to the red dot. And the other side connects to the host. And then find the strap. Connect the strap to the host. Make sure it's okay. If you want to slam a point cloud without the color model, let me show you how to do it. We don't use color model now. First, let's turn on the device. If you want to check the battery life, you can check the light, or you can just press the button to check it. First, how to turn on, press the button for 3 seconds. And wait a moment, the screen will show the device situation. It is connecting. And wait for a while. When the screen shows ready, then we can connect our apps first. Open our software, and here we should connect Wi-Fi. Here is the Wi-Fi information. It's on the LS300, the SN number and the password. We can find the device here and input the password. Okay, now it's connected. On the top of our interface, you can see the device situation here. And the device is ready and is connected. And then we can begin to scan. Hold the SLAM carefully and be careful about the strap and the host. Here you can check the information, and this button you can start the scan. Remember to stand still for 8 seconds when you start it. Wait for 8 seconds, don't move. It will automatically do a calibration. After 8 seconds, the screen will show the screen will show the point cloud it gets. And then we can move to scan. When you scan, remember, don't rotate the lamp too fast. When you turn around, be slow and be careful. don't rotate it and shake it. On the screen will show the point cloud preview and the path you get. And then, when you want to end the scan, just press this button to stop scanning. Confirm. Remember, when it's stopping, wait for 8 seconds. Don't move. And now it's stopped and saving the data now. Then I will put it on the desk. And then how to check the data we just get? Open our apps and open these 3 points. Data process. Here is the data we just get, and we can just press process. It will process the data. Remember, this situation is when you're not using the color model, you can just press process, and the speed will be very fast. Okay, here, let's wait a moment. It's saving data now. Okay, it's now processed. We can find the data in processed. Here is the data we just processed, and here we can find the U disk in the box. This is the U disk, and then connect the U disk to the host side. We want to get the data from the host side to the U disk, and we just need to press the copy button. After the data copied from the host to the U disk, and then you can get the data from U disk to the PC. You can see it's on local and mobile storage. That means the copy is finished. And then you can disconnect the U disk and connect the U disk to your PC to get the data. It's in SLAM, and here is the data we just get. You can just copy the data to your PC, or you can just open it in our software. And here we can find the data we just get and do some operation of data to check the data. If you want to use color model to get the color point cloud, how to do it? First, find the panorama camera here. And then we just open the camera. Okay, and connect the camera to the SLAM. Check the setting of the camera. Make sure the USB mode is Android mode. This is okay. And then you can check the screen. Now the screen, the dot is green. It means the camera is connected now. And the device is ready to scan. We can just begin to scan to get a point cloud. Here we can press the start button to start scan. And wait for 8 seconds to calibrate. The scanning is start, and it will ask you whether to download the point color video. Press no. And it is recorded now. Everything is normal, and we can begin to scan. When you want to turn around, be careful. Be very slow. Don't rotate the slam too fast, or it will get wrong data. And there are a lot of slam tips you should be mentioned, and later we will have another video to show you how to do it. If you want to end the slam, just press end button to stop slam. And wait for a second when it starts. Remember, when you begin to slam and end the slam, hold the slam very careful. Don't rotate it or move it, because when you skip start and end, it is doing a calibration. Okay, if you want to press the color point cloud data, you should first move the. Okay, if you want to.